Hey, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We're here at the Generative AI Expo. It's part of the IT Expo Tech Super Show 2026. Eric Vaughan is with us. He is CEO of IgniteTech and also GFI Software. Eric, welcome back to the show.
Thank you. Rich, you guys always do a fantastic job. It's wonderful to be back.
Thank you, and also thank you for the amazing content. Your keynotes are one of the highlights of this event because of just the education that you give to the audience.
Well, I really appreciate the comment. I hope it matters. I mean, that's the point of them. I'm trying to get people to take action and not wait. So I hope that worked.
And you know, you've spoken at this event for years, and your message has always been, you should not wait. Get in, dive in, learn about it, use it, potentially re-architect your company, but do not lag behind.
I'm so worried that people keep thinking this is another one of our technical fads that are going to pass. And I think it's really important for all of us that know different to make certain that they understand if they wait, they're going to find themselves left behind. So that's why I really appreciate the leadership that your organization has shown with Gen AI Expo. 3 years ago, before people could even spell Gen AI, you were out there at the forefront, and that's why we've come back each year.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I've heard great things about what your company is doing in the market, helping just implement AI. Do you want to talk a little bit about not only the solutions you're providing today, but you have a launch you told me about, which I was really impressed about, and I want to hear more about that.
Well, there's something about your conference. I don't know if start of the year, Fort Lauderdale, I don't know, it all mixes. This is 2 years in a row now that we've issued a press release the morning of the keynote to announce our latest product. We're writing AI software from scratch, but we're writing AI software to enable humans to do more. What we're not doing is creating AI to just replace people. We're trying to magnify their capabilities. And last year we introduced our newest product, Eloquens. Eloquens was our email AI automation product. Today, we announced a new product called Admino. Press release hit this morning, website was up this morning. I did a demo of it on stage, and it's solving a problem that everybody has, which is the complexities of scheduling appointments.
Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so it's staggering how we've all come to accept that trying to get 2 people or 3 people or 4 people or, God forbid, 10 people in multiple countries and multiple time zones together on a call. And all of the costs back and forth of, oh, I can't, time zone, this person's sick, can we reschedule, that kind of thing. We've just learned to live with it, but we don't need to. And our approach, Admino, looks just like an executive assistant. It has an email ID that looks just like a person. It talks just like a person. It's very conversational. And it speaks 160 languages and answers 24/7, which is not anything, I've never met an EA that can do that yet. And that's what we're solving with Admino. It's just that simple.
So there are services out there that many people use, like calendar services, where it's a shared calendar where I send you a link, and sometimes you can have maybe more than one person that has a shared calendar, and you know, it's like a mutual link or something like that. How does your service compare to like that legacy technology that's out there?
Yeah, there's certainly those. I mean, those were advances. There's no question. It was like, here's my calendar, go pick a slot. But now somebody has to do something. And oftentimes they just want to ask. They just want to put it into somebody's hands. And email for 30 years has been our standard way of communicating all over the world, and that's what you're using here. And in that particular case, all that's good for is one person on a calendar. What if you're trying to arrange 9 different people and in different time zones for that? Like, whose calendar controls that? So what we do today is we do it ourselves. Most of us do it ourselves. Some of us have the luxury of having someone that helps us with that. Now everybody gets it. It's kind of like Oprah. Like, you get an EA, you get an EA, and you get an EA. Everybody gets an EA.
That's fantastic. So what else should we know?
So Admino was just launched today, just announced today. It'll be available in people's hands by the end of this quarter. That's literally less than 6 weeks. Dev team is calm about it because we use AI to write AI, and they're excited about it. It'll be out this quarter. You don't normally make announcements and release products within that kind of time frame, but that's the kind of, you know, agility and velocity that we have these days.
And if people want to learn more?
You can go to Adminio, that's ADMINIO.ai. That was the announcement for that. And come to IgniteTech.ai. You can see all of our AI products as well.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Rich. Always a pleasure.